For anybody that's looking for granite, this is in Surin, Thailand. They have a huge selection of product to choose from. Prices range from anywhere from, I think I heard her say 1,800 baht per meter to 5,500 baht per meter, and I don't know if they have even more than that. But they also do installations. They have a crew that does the installs. They've got a lot of really nice granite here. Hey, Jai.
This store name PR Granite. PR Granite.
We're here to see about getting the granite for our kitchen and possibly even our vanities in the bathrooms.
เม็ดคูณเม็ดอย่างนี้ป่ะเม็ดสแควร์เม็ดสแควร์เม็ดสแควร์เม็ดอันนี้ก็สแควร์เม็ดเหมือนกันสิตารางเม็ดนี้อันนี้ตารางเม็ด
This is it here.
Yeah, I'll say.
You speak English?
ภาษาอังกฤษบอกว่าไปจะงั้นหน่อยไม่ต้องเป็นการสิตารางเมตรกับตารางเมตรเมตรก็คือพอเมตรก็คืออะไรเป็น1 เมตร1 เมตร
I like that.
ถ้าหินก็คือพี่ใช้หน้า60ก็60คูณความยาวอ๋อเมตรอยู่นี้
So this first one that I showed is 2,200 baht. It's 300 baht less, which is like $9. It's not a big deal per meter. Check out the size of the slabs they have here. Huge size.
How big it is?
I know it. They're really big.
ใหญ่มากเลยค่ะอันนี้ขายยังไงอันนี้ตารางเมตร 6,500 ตารางเมตร6,000 ตารางเป็นแกรนิตหลาย 6,500 square meter 6,500
How much is that?
อันนี้แผ่นประมาณเท่าไหร่ประมาณ4 ตารางเมตร4 square meter ประมาณ 2,000 กว่าบาทเว้นปีโต๊ะนะเว้น2,000 บอร์ด
So about $600.
20,000 กว่าบาท
Yeah, 20,000 is just over $600. It's not bad.
เวลาดูแกดูเทเบิล
Yeah.
สวยมาก
For anybody that wants to do their entire flooring, $800 a sheet here. The size machine it takes to cut these down. This kind of deal here is what impresses me. So they'll pre-cut the holes before they bring it. They'll cut them to size and pre-cut the holes. Wow. The soy dog taking a break. I'll have to get the name of the place from Jai. I can't read it. So then we can let you know. Anybody that's in this area, in the Surin area, that needs to do granite, this place has got so many different choices to select from. And not just granite too, they also have these stone seen a lot of people use this stone on their exteriors in the fronts of the houses. So all these different types of stone. My sister-in-law used this kind of stuff in her house. Now this side shows you the pieces that you can, different designs you can choose from. Selections on this side. They have so much here, right? I mean, it's really kind of exciting for somebody that's building, wanting to do some new stuff. Yeah, they can cut out little granite tables for you. You have different sizes here. That machine they've got in the back there will do tons of good stuff. Jai's really excited looking at all these different things and different colors.
Honey, baby, did you see this? ดูเลยนะคะชมนาจาก Do you see this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, somewhat like I was talking about.
See? อ๋อโครงคือทำโชว์เป็นโครงเหล็กแต่ถ้าแข็งแรงระยะยาวแนะนำเป็นปูนถ้าเป็นเหล็กมันก็ถ้ามันโดนน้ำมันก็จะเป็นสนิมแต่เราทำโชว์
Her name is May.
Yeah. May said do the cement better than
Yeah,
because
yeah.
this is
Those are
rusty.
not very strong
Yeah,
too.
just want to show.
Yeah. Look at all the selection over here. Well, I hope you like this content. If you reach down and mash the like and subscribe, doesn't cost you anything. It really help our channel. Thanks for watching. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. Out.